What's up? It's me, Asiel Hardison. I am a dancer choreographer here with the Desire Company. PT gave me this vibrating knee brace, which is also a heating pad, the Venom from Hyperice. So I just want to show you how simple and effective this small little device is. It's like a mini PT in your bag. So I'm strapping it up to my knee. My favorite thing about this product is the heat. The heat is really nice during the workout because the heat just kind of relaxes the muscles and gets them ready to work. So you press these two buttons on the side and then you put your start button, and it's automatically going to start on the wave motion. The wave motion again is, so there's 4 vibrators on this. It's just kind of bouncing around. And then to change that, you can press the screen. There's a pulse. And then there's the constant. So I like the constant because it just gives me a constant vibration and just shaking up those muscles and kind of just waking them up. And I also like to have the heat on high because I like that nice warm sensation relaxing those muscles. I can actually just feel my muscles just relaxing from the tension. So I leave this on for like 5 minutes before I start my rehearsals or workouts or whatever, and then I'm good to go.